Hello, let's continue our discussion of accounting, basic accounting. Let me share my notes now. Okay, we've been into a what we call income statement. Okay, so we said that income statement shows revenue, expenses, and profit over period. So this is the basic accounting record, which the manager is deducing his judgment whether to pursue or to close the business. So it is a number that tells whether the company is making or not making. It's very serious report. Then we have a balance sheet display assets, liabilities, and equities at a specific point in time. So what are the assets? These are the car, the equipment, the machineries. No? Liabilities are owned by the company. Payables, these are the money borrowed by company. So they are paying for this one. So liabilities. Salary is liabilities. No? And then equity, these are the investments, no? Stocks, no? So these are the money, no? Of the company at a specific point in time. So there's an equation of that one. So balance sheet shows these three things, no? Liabilities, equity, and displays. So cash flow statement reports cash inflows and outflows. Where the money goes, where everything goes. So they have to monitor, they have to identify where is the last cents of, where is the last dollar goes into. So and then they are going to report from operations, investing, and financial activities. How many have been goes into operations like materials, payrolls, salary, like equipment. And then investing goes into the excess money goes into where? So the basis of actual of the budget, no? And financing activities. So operations. So it shows in the cash flow statement. So we have a basic accounting. We have assets is equals to liabilities plus equity. So equity, these are the cash, no? So the assets combination of liabilities plus equity. So liabilities can be a cash borrowed by company. So used for the operation. Because the company normally borrow money to amend, no, the lack of cash. So they're going to pay. So this is money after the liabilities. No? So equity, these are part of the investments like stocks, bonds, mutual funds. No? The reserve money of the company, guarantee, because the company will not going to borrow money unless he has a reserve. So that's equity. So combination, these are all assets. No? Okay, this equation represents the foundation of double entry bookkeeping. We will discuss that one later. So example, recording business transactions, company purchase equipment worth 5,000 cash. The accounting entry would be like this one. Debit because they purchase, the money goes out. Credit cash account of 5,000. So take note, everything that goes out from the company, that is debit. Everything that it receives, credit. There's a rules on that. We'll do that one later. So we have here a business revenue recognition. Business provides consulting services worth 2,000 on credit. The entry would be revenue recognition. The entry would be debit, that is increase accounts receivable. Okay, and then credit, increase service revenue. So that's the entry. So revenue recognition, business provides consulting service. So he will going to receive money sometime in the future because he deliver a services. So that is why credit will increase. No? Application of accounting web business decision making helps companies evaluate profitability and investment opportunities. So also budgeting, capital control, cash. Then tax compliance ensures businesses pay the correct amount of taxes. So they just follow the internal revenue, and then collect taxes from the people, impose on the product or services, and then remit that amount to the government. Budgeting and forecasting assist in planning future expenses and revenue. So this is the applications. Budget usually. Company having a 1-year budget. Forecasting sales forecast. They base their budget from the sales forecast. Assist in the planning future expenses and revenue. They're going to use the records in the accounting. Inventory, investor analysis helps investors assess company's financial health. If the company is making, then investors will going to put their money. Otherwise, they're going to pull out. Just like that, no? Because, they are also businessmen. They are play safe. That's why good accounting records entice them to put their money. Regulatory compliance, like government, no, ensures adherence to financial reporting standards like IFRS and GAAP, no, general accepted accounting procedure. No, these are the compliance to the procedure, how the accounting was done. No, should not be tainted. The report should be correct, and then it will be audited. Should be according to the entry. So these are the books we lifted this material. Okay. So I'll see you soon in the other discussion. Thank you for being with us.